Why hello there, and welcome back to my channel. Now, I know what you're wondering. You're wondering, where the hell have you been? Well, I can explain. I know I've only posted, one video the entire of last week, and I have a good reason, okay? I was doing a lot of final exams, okay? I'm still not even done with my final exams, so, yeah, that's that. But don't worry, we're back on it, all right? New week, new me, you know what I'm saying? And plus, once these final exams are done, we're going back to the daily upload, boys. But what is going on, Docs Gang? We lit, how we doing? Today, we're going back to Southside. I'm sorry, yes we are. So I'm gonna hop on my computer and yeah, let's get it. All right, let's open up not Omnisphere, or actually, you know what? Nah. Forget Omnisphere. Hold up.
What did you say, nigga?
Forget Omnisphere. Hold up. Forget Omnisphere. Hold up. Forget Omnisphere. Hold up.
I have no one to turn to but you.
Actually, you don't even have me.
Enough.
I'll try to be more succinct. You held a certain fascination when you were beautiful.
I literally just discovered a new VST that was fire. Okay, this VST Harmless, I used it in like, I think maybe 2 videos ago. It was fire, okay? This VST is pretty dope and I'm not finished using it, so. Alright, that does not work at all. Cool. I don't like this sound at all. I really don't. Alright, let's add some reverb on this because, reverb never hurts, right? Alright, let's do that. Alright, Alright, so we got a little nice little melody going. Excuse me. Now I'm not sure where to go. Actually, I might layer it. You know what? Let's layer it. Let's do that. Let's layer it with like. I don't want to use Omnisphere again. Yeah. No. You know what? Let's open up Harmless again. Let's find one of those nice pads that I was looking at. Cause I really like pads. I know Southside beats don't really have pads, but like, it doesn't matter. Pads make it dark. Southside beats are dark. Alright, now let's play it together. Let's see what they both sound like. Alright, real quick, what I forgot to do, I forgot to EQ the first sound. So let me EQ the first sound real quick because I don't really like that. I think this is quite nice. See, I want to add, you know, let's add gross beat. Why not? Let's see what it sounds like first. Alright. I think it's time for the drums. Okay, I think it is time for the drums. Okay, so let's whip out Spins 808 because this is a Southside type beat after all. So we need our spins. You know what I'm saying? So let's get the spins out. Alright, now let's add the kick. There we go. Alright. Okay, alright, let's I'm literally just laying the kick down. I'm not making anything special with these kicks. I'm about to just like put them wherever I see the 808 is.
Eventually.
Guys, keep in mind, I didn't use Omnisphere with this yet, okay? Just saying. Now let's go on to the hi-hats because I'm getting really excited and if I don't move on, I'm gonna explode. So as you know, you need to have all these, you know, hi-hat rolls in your 808 or Southside type beat because, you know, if you don't got hi-hat rolls, then it's not a Southside type beat. And then let's finish it off with my signature, this. And there's the hi-hats. Alright, so now I want to do the snare. So we're going to put down snare. I'm going to look through these different ones that I have, so. Okay, none of these work. Alright, I think we're ready to go. We're Gucci. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it. Then I'm going to arrange it around, make it all nice for you to be able to listen to continually. And we're going to be all done with the video. So let's get to it, shall we? Alright, there you have it. There is my Southside type beat that I haven't done for a little while now. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope it helped you out a little bit. Hope this was entertaining for you. And of course, if you liked the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below on videos you do in the future. And don't forget to share the video with your friends and all that stuff. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to see you all in the next one. And peace.